Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and it's the weekend. Didn't seem like it took that long to get here, but now that we're here, what do you got planned? What do you got planned? Are you staying in? Are you going out? What are you doing this weekend? Hit me in the comment section down below, let me know. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today, yes, we got some Gears 3 watch faces for you to check out. This should help carry you through the weekend, and with that being said, let's get started. The name of the first watch face is called Rabo Digital 004. If I said that name correct. Matter of fact, it's going to be in the description box down below. Now, it's a good looking watch face. Even in the always on mode, you get a black and white look. Not a bad look at all, but when the watch face is on, it really looks nice and colorful. Now, you get information on your heart rate, steps, your battery info, miles walked or ran, and you get your date down at the bottom. Now, this is definitely a great look. Now, I like the fact that you get your digital time right there in the center, and it's 24-hour time at that. So if I double tap up at the top, I can customize the color to whichever I like. I get a few in all. It's not a bad deal. And it is not bad. I like it. I like the look. So what do you think, guys? Is this a go? Is this a download or not? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of this watch face. Number 2, this one is called IClean. IClean is another digital watch face that's really nice, and it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So just make sure you go download right after the video. And up at the top, you get info on your steps, calories burned, your heart rate, and it is inactive. So if you tap on it, you can go in and get more info on your heart rate, and you get a digital time in 12 hours. And I like that they spelled out the day and the month. That is a good look. And right here you get your battery info, but if I tap right there, now you got your shortcuts. So you got gallery, you can make a phone call, you got where you can search for your phone, weather, S-voice. You also got your recent. So I'm thinking this is a nice look. And in order to get into that, you have to double tap. It's not a single tap, but it's still a good look. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this free watch face. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3, we're going to keep it simple with number 3. This one is a simple watch face, black background. You get your digital time in 24 hours and the name of the developer. Now, it has a slight elegance to it, and it is free in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you go and download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on the channel, then please make sure you hit the notification bell. And enjoy your weekend. Have fun. Be safe. And party like it's 1999. See you at the next video. Take care.